Right now, while everyone is out there chasing the next big thing, running from place to place, trying to stay visible, the smartest men are doing the complete opposite. They're staying home. And no, this isn't about being lazy. It's about an ancient secret that built emperors, philosophers, and unshakable men. Let me explain. There's a moment that comes in every man's life when everything feels overwhelming. The noise, the pressure, the constant pull from people, notifications, expectations. Society tells you that success means being everywhere, always networking, always available, always in the mix. But the Stoics saw through this illusion. Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus. They understood something most people never do. True strength isn't built in the crowd, it's built in silence. Today, I'm breaking down why staying home might be the most underrated power move you can make. This isn't theory, this is transformation. When you stay home, you finally escape the noise. Think about your average day. Opinions, drama, endless notifications, people telling you what to think, how to feel, what to want. It's exhausting. But when you intentionally withdraw, you create space. And in that space, something powerful happens. You start hearing your own voice again. Marcus Aurelius said it best, "Nowhere can a man find a quieter place than within his own soul." Your home becomes a sanctuary. Your thoughts sharpen. Your decisions become clearer. You stop reacting and you start operating from clarity. Staying home builds a level of discipline most people will never have. Most men today are addicted to stimulation. They can't sit still. They can't be alone with their thoughts. They reach for their phone every few seconds, not because they need to, but because they can't stand silence. But silence is training. At home, you learn to sit with discomfort. You learn focus without applause. You learn patience. Seneca warned us, to be everywhere is to be nowhere. When you're constantly moving, you're scattered. But when you stay grounded, you become dangerous in the best way possible. Distance reveals truth. When you spend time alone, you start noticing patterns you ignored before. Who only contacts you when they need something? Who brings chaos instead of peace? Who celebrates your success and who secretly resents it? Solitude sharpens perception. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. This is how you protect your peace. This is how you build a circle that elevates you. The Stoics understood this deeply. Your environment shapes you. Guard it carefully. Most people are emotional hostages. They need entertainment to feel alive, validation to feel valuable, attention to feel important. But when you stay home and learn to enjoy your own company, you unlock a different kind of strength. Epictetus taught that freedom begins when you stop depending on things outside your control, especially people. At home, there's nowhere to hide, no distractions, no applause, just you. It's uncomfortable at first, but if you push through that discomfort, you build an emotional core that nobody can shake. Your home becomes your training ground. When you're constantly out, your energy leaks into nonsense, gossip, drama, obligations that don't move your life forward. But at home, your energy becomes focused. You read, you learn, you build, you create. Every great thinker spent hours alone in deep work. While others are distracted, you're quietly upgrading yourself. And when you step back into the world, you're not the same man anymore. Energy is currency. Every unnecessary interaction spends it. Every forced commitment drains it. Staying home teaches you a powerful word, no. You stop over-explaining, you stop over-giving, you stop overextending. Your circle tightens, your focus sharpens, and people feel it. They may not understand it, but they respect it. Weak men fear being alone. Strong men embrace it. Solitude is where your mind expands, where your purpose becomes clear, where confidence stops being performative and becomes real. When you're comfortable alone, you stop chasing, you stop proving, you stop needing approval. You become complete. So here's the truth. Staying home isn't hiding from the world. It's strategically withdrawing to rebuild yourself. You escape the noise, you build discipline, you see who's real, you gain emotional independence, you sharpen your skills, you protect your energy, and you master solitude. This is the Stoic path, and when the world outside shakes, you don't. If this hit something inside you, tell me in the comments. Are you ready to embrace solitude, or does it still make you uncomfortable? And if you want more wisdom that actually changes how you think and move, subscribe. We're building something real here. Stay sharp.